Hello, friends. I am Dr. Vivek Jain, faculty Cerebellum Academy, and I am so happy that with me is sitting a young, smiling doctor, Dr. Aisha Mullah, who has managed to score a rank of 2257 in NEET PG. Congratulations, Dr. Aisha.
Thank you so much, sir.
So,
Thank
what
you.
was the first reaction of Dr. Aisha and parents?
It was really surprising. I had expected a rank below 10,000,
Hmm.
but I had never expected getting such a good rank. It was really out of my expectations. So everybody was really happy, my parents, my family. And I really want to thank God and my family for being the most important part of my journey. They have always been there, guided me, supported me. And along with that, the Cerebellum family.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, this interview is going to be watched by quite a number of students over the years. So, let's break your strategy to the barest lowest level possible. Let's see how you prepared, how you can guide, motivate young students to take up exam in a very positive, healthy way. Were you able to attend all the physical offline classes at Champions Batch, Padmarao Nagar, Hyderabad, which is the only center of cerebellum offline?
Yes, I had attended all the classes at Padmarao Nagar.
All is
All the
not possible, you must have missed something.
No, sir, I think I have attended all the classes.
Wow, that's fantastic. That's fantastic because it is a comprehensive course where even PSM classes were for 6 days. So you were able to attempt. That's amazing. Now, after the classes were completed, you had time for revision. So how did you revise? Were you able to utilize your notes or did you use Cerebellum app?
After completing the offline classes, after coming back home, I start just then the new mission schedule had been released. So I
Hmm.
started following the mission schedule. So it was like a second revision to me. It was exactly the same, whatever it was taught in offline classes.
Hmm.
So because of that, whatever I had made notes and all, it was really easy for me to follow. So it was like a second revision. And during this time, I started solving Q-banks. First time, it was a little like I didn't solve Q-banks during the
Hmm.
offline classes,
Okay.
but once I came back home, I started solving the Q banks, and then along with that, I started giving GTs also on monthly basis. I started giving GTs. So from there, the journey had started.
Great. See, a lot of students, when I was doing interviews, they were sharing that they were able to attend almost all sessions of late night PYQ midday modules. You got a chance to do the same?
Yes, sir. Like late night PVAC is daily. I used to solve every day,
Hmm.
but midday modules sometimes I used to skip. But
Okay.
late night modules, I have like really religiously practiced those daily without
Okay.
missing.
So can I say they acted as a game changer for you?
Yes, sir. That was the like most important part of my preparation because we study, but some like later we forget whatever we study, whatever classes we attend, but the questions which we make mistakes in, those questions will remain with you forever. And that is the most important part. Solving very difficult questions, it won't help you as much as solving the PYQs, because those are the ones that will be given in a twisted manner. So I think we should be thorough in our PYQs, and then we can go and add further things. So that has really been a game changer for me.
Wow, that's wonderful. How do GTs and mock tests help a student?
So actually, GTs are like a tool of, measuring your growth in whatever subjects you have studied.
Hmm.
So I used to use GTs like in the beginning, once a month, I used to give GTs. Then later, as the exam was near, the frequency started increasing, especially when the video explanation feature was introduced. It
Hmm.
actually motivated me more to give more GTs. So in that way, I used to point out the subjects which I'm weak in, and then
Hmm.
I used to work on those subjects. So it has really helped me a lot.
Okay. See, during the course of the cerebellum journey, we introduced video explanations in GTs also. So, did you manage to make use of them?
Yes, so that was the most important tool,
Hmm.
because many of times we'll just give GTs. In the beginning, the same thing used to happen with me. I just used
Hmm.
to give GTs and then forget about it. I never used to review that completely because of the time constraint. Later, when the video feature was introduced, I used to finish reviewing within 3 hours, or sometimes less than that. So it
Okay.
was like, one day I used to finish the GT's review, and with that, I could finish some other small subjects also. So it was really useful in that way.
Great, great. Are you localite from Andhra, Hyderabad, or Telangana?
No, so I'm from Karnataka.
Karnataka. And what is the college you have graduated from is?
Chamarajnagar Institute of Medical Science.
Great. So from Karnataka, you came to Hyderabad to attend live classes.
Yes, sir, because we heard, like from one of my friend, I heard that Cerebellum, it's a new platform emerging, and I had heard about good results from there. So me and my friend, we are from the same college, so we both came together and we stayed in Hyderabad, and we both completed the
Wow.
course.
Thank you for placing your trust in Cerebellum. This was the first NEET PG result of Cerebellum, and you have made us proud. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. It wouldn't have been possible without your support and guidance.
No, that will always be there. What is the meaning of the word Aisha?
It means life, sir.
Living life. Very nice, very nice. So, what are you planning to take up as a future career option?
So I'm confused between three branches, that
And
is
let me
radiology.
let me predict. Let me predict. Based on your rank, you may be thinking between radio, medicine, surgery.
Yes, sir. Radio, medicine, and OBG.
Oh,
These
I
are
got
the
just
three.
one wrong, but that's wonderful. So, which branch you are more, you can say, attached to, or you feel more closer to your heart?
In the beginning, it was OBG, sir, but as internship started, I started hating OBG. But I liked the subject a lot. Then, when I started attending Dilip sir's class, then I fell in love with medicine, and it was a very different experience. I never viewed medicine in that way. So
Hmm.
now I have a little bit more inclination towards medicine. But because of the rank, I radio diagnosis, general medicine, and OBG. These are the three subjects which I'm interested in.
Hmm.
So I'm hoping to get, like, I'm not yet decided properly. So once I decide, then we'll see.
Wow. Wow. I should say this is a good use, say, na, when we are confused. This is a good type of confusion, I think. You
Yes,
have
I never
plenty of.
imagined that I would have this kind of confusion. So I
No,
feel really
actually,
good.
to be frank, na, I do remember you from the champions batch class. I do remember you.
Actually, that was the first class which I had attended. So in the month of June, I had joined Champions Batch, and you were the first person to teach us.
Wow, great. That
And that very moment when I attended the class, I felt like I had like taken a good decision of joining, because you made the subject so easy. It actually, I never liked PSM when I was in third year. It is a dry and factual subject,
hmm.
but after attending your classes, the my mission classes, the marathon classes, then it became really easy for me. Like everything, the facts were just like that in my mind during the time of exam. Especially when I gave the UPSC CMS exam, every point, every question, whichever you had told that this is important, the same thing had repeated.
Wow, great to hear from that, Dr. Aisha. Thank you so much. Again, congratulations on behalf of whole team of Cerebellum in Delhi and in Hyderabad. Mr. Lakshman has been putting in so much efforts in so many months now. So congratulations to you, your parents, family. Go and have a big celebration. Go and have a big celebration. You are going to achieve much bigger milestones in your professional career. There is no doubt about that. You seem to be very organized. When I'm talking to you, you come as such a positive personality. So you're going to do good in professional career. Stay on course, keep on studying, keep on working hard, keep on making your parents proud, keep on making us also proud.
Thank you so much, sir. It really means
Take
a lot.
take care. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.